Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable MMS messaging or multimedia service messaging on your iPhone. So this will allow you to send pictures and videos through text messages to people that don't have iMessage. This includes people on Android phones. Enabling MMS messaging is very easy, and to get started, all we need to do is open the settings on our iPhone. Once the settings open, simply scroll down until you see Messages, should be directly under Phone, and open up Messages. Once you're in Messages, simply scroll down until you see MMS Messaging, should be directly under Send as SMS, and you just want to make sure you have that toggled on. Once you toggle it on, you don't have to save anything. You can simply close the settings, and then you'll be able to send MMS messages from your iPhone. All right, so that's how you enable MMS messages on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.